that Mark and I haven't told anybody about that. Now you're her favorite. I fucking knew it. You like favorites. You're playing favorites.
Okay, calm down. I know this is hard for you, Aura of Love, and I know it's been hard for everyone, including anyone that was in the drama or has been lately been notified about the drama. I'm sorry, Ryan, you were left out. I really am. I honestly didn't know what to say about the problem. I'm so sorry that happened to you, Ryan. I really am. And Aura of Love, don't say that, please. Don't. Because you guys have been best friends since you guys kind of met, other than you guys beefing with each other. But it was once, though. So, I'm sorry that happened, but, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry that happened to you. I really am. I am. I don't know what to say. But RF Love, calm down, take your time. Take whatever time you need to calm down. Do anything to calm you down other than lashing out your anger on Chu. I know she did wrong. I know she did. But she seriously didn't mean it. And Ryan, you take all the time you need to calm down as well. You were left out. You were left out. So you probably should take a break. That's only if you want to. I don't want to force anything on you. That's only if you want to, Ryan. Take all your time, to be honest. And to Prologu, I'm sorry I can't pronounce your name right. But please, can we not do this again? Can we not, start saying he's grooming me again, please? I'm tired. I really am. And it's gonna be my birthday soon, so I don't want to just, I don't want to be online all day just taking care of problems. I really don't, and I don't want to wake up on my birthday either to see what has happened between you and Godzilla again. I really don't want to see that on my birthday when I wake up. It's very close, actually. Not tomorrow, but it's very close. And I don't want to just wake up and see all the stuff that happened. So Prologo, I'm sorry I can't pronounce your name right again. I really am. But please don't let me wake up. Honestly, I'll just say my birthday. Don't let me wake up on the 28th of March just to see all this drama that has happened again, please. Because honestly, when we actually met, I was still 10. But I had recently turned 10, so it wasn't too long after my birthday. And honestly, I grew up on the internet. I know I shouldn't be on it at this age, but I am. I grew up on the internet because my parents were always fighting. I always needed a safe place. I grew up without plushies, without anyone to comfort me. I grew up with my parents not really taking care of me. They were divorced by the time I was 6, or around when I was 5. So, and my dad couldn't take care of me because he had this crazy bitch of an ex. They're no longer together. That's why I am at his house now, and I love him. I love my dad. But for my mom, she couldn't take care of me because she needed a break. She needed to work a lot. We didn't even go to a school that was close by to my house. We went to a school that was not even in Raylands, I'm pretty sure it wasn't even in Raylands, but it wasn't even in Raylands. So my grandma took care of my whole life up until 4th grade because that's when she had to move. And if it wasn't my grandma, it was my tias. I know I shouldn't be on the internet or even posting at this age, but I started posting because it helped me calm down. It helped me cope. It was fun. I met a lot of people, fun people, that I truly did love. Some of them quit, some of them left. That was okay. I expected that. I suspected hate comments. I really did. I knew people got a lot of hate back then when they were in Demon Slayer. Because I was originally in the Demon Slayer fandom. And before I even decided to join the Welcome Home fandom, I was originally going to join Black Butler fandom, or I don't know what it's called, but I was going to join a Pacific fandom before Welcome Home became a thing, or when it became popular again. So yeah, that's why I am on the internet. I'm sorry I can't pronounce your name right, Prologo. I just can't. And to Pearl, I'm sorry that you were left out. You were left out just like me. But to be honest, I'm not surprised I wasn't put in a video a lot because I was never really online. I was always at school, so yeah, I'm not at school because it's spring break for me, but I go to an after school program, so I wouldn't even be on by the time stuff happened or by the time she wanted to make a video, so I'm honestly not surprised, but I'm sorry for what that happened to you. And to any kid of shoes that was left out, I'm sorry that happened to you as well. But sometimes it's good to tell how you feel to people. So, yeah. And to Godzilla, I'm actually sorry that happened. I really am. But I don't want you to blame yourself for the rest of your life, because it seems like that to me now. You've been blaming yourself since last year. It's been a year now. You can't just keep looking down on yourself because of stuff that happened in the past. Especially if it's something that happened last year. It shouldn't really matter now. Honestly, not unless it was that serious. Because something serious happened to me last year and it's not popular anymore. Well, it's not exactly important to me anymore because it happened last year. I'm gonna just say because the person that did it is a real bitch. He had touched me without consent at school, and we were in class as well. A ton of students saw it, the teacher didn't, but that's okay. But it was all taken care of. The kid, I'm not gonna say what happened to the kid, to be honest. I really won't, but I'll just say they're still in the school. We're still in the same class, even if we're in 5th grade now. We still don't get along and stuff. But Godzilla, don't keep looking down on yourself. Don't keep blaming yourself because you did something in the past that was messed up. And this goes the same for Shu. You made a mistake. Everyone makes mistakes. Doesn't mean you can learn from it. Doesn't mean you can't learn from it. It doesn't mean anything. So please don't look down on yourself because you guys are really there for me. Like Godzilla and Shu and Ink and Rory. I'm sorry, Rory, I can't pronounce your name. But they've all been there for me when I needed it the most. So don't look down on yourself because you made a mistake. Don't. And probably, I'm not in control of what you do. I really am not. So it's up to you whether or not if you're gonna stop saying those things. Because I don't control what you say. I control what no one says. It's your choice, to be honest. Your choice to do what you want, to be honest. I feel like you really didn't start it, but you continued it. So yeah, I know Godzilla started it, but I don't know why he started it. I wasn't there when he started it. I was there during the middle of it. And Pagu, I'm sorry I can't pronounce your name again. I really just can't pronounce your name. I can pronounce what I'm told to pronounce, I guess. Well, what I know how to pronounce and everything. But you keep doing what you like, to be honest. You keep doing what you want. Because it's your choice and everything. So, yeah. And Godzilla, I suggest try not to I know Godzilla has anger issues, and I can't control his anger issues, but try to try to find something you can squeeze other than just lashing out, because it won't help. It really won't help. If you lash out, it'll just create bigger problems and everything. Art of Love, I know you think that I know everything, but please don't blame everything on Shu, because Shu didn't mean it. She really didn't mean it. She really did, to be honest. And that's all I have to say for now. But y'all keep doing what y'all do, and yeah, so bye.